It is my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to Urban International School's 2025 Expansion Open House. Today is not just about unveiling new spaces. It is about celebrating growth, progress, and the future of UIS.
Since its establishment in 2009, UIS has been on a journey of continuous improvement.
We also, as you can see, have a new UIS theatre. The space is equipped with a professional stage.
Your face still holds its beauty, even in death. How cool that
It is a great honor to have all you here today. UIS is a stream specialized university preparatory for international students. That's the important line. We create the system to provide more clear and certain guidelines for not only academic purpose, but also financial aspect for the student and parents.
our school at the time was about 30 some odd students on the floor. But under Mr. Tony's management, a couple of months, we grew to a size of over 100, and we moved on to 300. Now we're expecting about 600 students. I stopped by UIS because there was something special about the school. I want to contribute to Mr. Tony's vision, and I want to witness all the changes to come.
I would like everybody, as much as possible, to come to this side.
Urban International School.
Educate with passion, care with love.